So this is the outline of the conversation that we are going to have today. I'm going to give a very high-level introduction to AI, which probably is not needed. Everyone knows what AI is these days. And then we will talk about neural networks and deep learning, and then we will have an extensive talk on the convolutional neural networks, which are the architecture of the choice for a lot of the computer vision applications. We'll talk about the building blocks of the CNNs. CNN are the convolutional neural networks. The applications of them, some popular CNN networks for both general use case and also for mobile architectures. And then we will have a very brief talk on the attention mechanism, vision transformers, and comparison between the CNNs and ViTs. And then we'll have a conclusion and we'll have the questions there. Okay, so talking about the high-level introduction to AI that everyone knows is like, what is AI? Given like some input, we want the system that we call AI to produce an intelligent output. That intelligent output can be anything. And the input can also be anything. In the computer vision domain, usually the input is either images or videos. It's the visual data, basically. And it is not limited to visual cameras. It can be like any camera. Say, for example, it is the infrared camera, or in medical domain, they are like the CT scan images, MRI images, all those things that are considered as image that have defined two-dimensional or three-dimensional pixels falls into the computer vision domain. And based on that input, we want to extract some intelligent output from it. And that intelligent output can be anything, say, again. So for example, in the image based, we want to understand what that image has. Say, for example, in the first top example that I have over there, we want to see like, oh, this image is an image of a person. Or the next model is like, where are the location of the items that are in the image? Or describe the image to me. Or, for example, it's a person dancing on the beach. There are also some reverse models that you probably have heard of generative AI. Generative AI goes the opposite way. You say that, oh, I want the image of a person dancing on the beach, and it creates that image for you. So it's like, it's the other side of this coin. And on the natural language processing, also the same thing. You have, there the input is textual data, text or the speech, or basically the language that we are processing. Say, for example, there is a language and there is a sentence that we want to understand, what that conveys, what's the message that it's giving. Everyone now is familiar with ChatGPT. It's one of the models that falls on the right side.